Right guys, today's gonna be a great day. I now officially stayed in Bangkok for the last week, and today my family is arriving. My girlfriend and my son is on their way from Denmark, where they've been staying for the last couple of days. You know, normally we live in Spain, but I look super much forward to see them. And also for the last 3 days I've been staying in this Emporium Suite by Tatum Hotel in Phnom Penh, and later in this video I'll just give you a quick rundown of what I think about the place and the cost. But for now I'm about to be checking out, and we are gonna move to another hotel. Again, as last time, I'm in a bit of a hurry. I have to check out here in about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna pack all my stuff down and then I'm gonna relocate and yeah, see you at the other hotel. Okay guys, so I'm sitting in the lobby area at the Grande Central Point Hotel in Ratchadamri in Bangkok. Clock is right now 1, and I can't get my room until 2 o'clock, so I think I'm just gonna go for a quick walk and look around the area and then be back in about an hour. Something great about Bangkok is the fact that every time you taking maybe 1 or 2 stops with the BTS or go for 5 or 10 minutes in a taxi and you're getting dropped off, you're just in a completely new city, a new vibe. Anyway, I've been walking out over to this CentralWorld shopping mall, I think it's called, and just gonna be strolling around here for about an hour before I can get my hotel key. So let's check it out. It's super hot today, so it'll be great to go inside and get some air conditioning. These malls, as I said in an earlier video, these malls in Bangkok are just extremely big. Right now I'm on a long hallway where you can't even see it down to the end. Check it out. So I woke up late today and didn't manage to get any breakfast before I was to check out, so I just spotted a bakery with some crazy looking cakes, so I think I'm gonna go down there and grab me a bite, and hopefully they're having a good cup of coffee as well. Check this out. Can I try the almond lychee raspberry? Yes please. One, and then one pan croissant chocolate. Yes please. I tried that one.
This one?
Yes.
This one and this one.
Yes.
Ice, okay?
Ice, perfect.
No sugar, I like sugar.
Little sugar, maybe?
Less sugar.
Yes.
Croissant, make it for 3 minutes.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. I'll sit over here.
Okay.
Yes. Come and go. I'll sit here. Thank you. Check this out. I got the croissant de chocolat. Then this awesome looking cake, which was some almond and lychee and raspberry cake. And then I got this, one of their special coffees called a Park Hyatt Immersion Tokyo Latte. Looks great. And I paid about 662 baht, which is not that bad. All right, it's time to try out this cake. Looks amazing.
plan with this trip was actually to drink a lot of mango juice and hit the gym every single morning, but haven't been going too well. Been in the gym 2 times, getting one too many beers, and now I'm eating cake. It's definitely not going to be the last one. Wow. So if you ever find yourself in the CentralWorld mall, then try out the Harry's Miki Cafe. Yeah, it was a great cake. Anyway, I'll be heading back to the hotel. My check-in time is about now, so let's go. Yes, and Susan is coming later.
Your family? Your friend?
Family, yes. Alright, just got into my room here at the Grand Central Point Hotel in Ratchadamri in Bangkok, and what a great view. But let's do the room tour real quick. Check it out. So we can do it in opposite direction, starting out with the toilet or the bathroom. I think it's only in Danish where you say toilet about everything. So, but yeah, the bathroom, bathtub. My son is joining, so we'll be happy about the bathtub. So out here, this is the entrance. Then we have our kitchen. It's a large fridge with a freezer, a stove, microwave. And this is nice. A washing machine. Hopefully it got drying as well. Got a lot of dirty clothes already. I'm sweating. So here we have the living area. Sofa, table, a nice TV. And then my workstation. Super nice. We're gonna be checking out the view in the end because I need to change the filter so you actually can see something out of the window where no magic is happening. It's a joke. Yet another television. You can wake up to a great view again. We'll look at that in the end. And a little bit of closet space. And here's another door to the bathroom. Let's check out the view. All right, check it out. Super nice view. And here is just next to the Lumpini Park, which is down here with its own golf course. And there's a football field over there, some other sports facilities, like a small stadium. Then we got this amazing view. Right now we are located at the 42nd floor. And maybe in the background you can see the Le Bourg Hotel, the iconic hotel with the golden comb. The hotel that was used in the Hangover 2 movie when they landed on the top with the helicopter. I actually stayed there, I think about 12 years ago, together with some mates. It was a great time. I'm gonna give him an offer. He can't refuse. Yeah, sorry about that. All right, so I'm settled in here at the new place, and my girlfriend and my son, who I haven't seen for about a week now, is arriving in about 2 hours. So I'm looking super much forward to that. Need to get everything unpacked, and I have a lot of clothes that I have to wash. I already ran through most of my t-shirts here due to the extreme heat. A quick thing that I promised in the start of the video is a quick review of the Emporium Suites Hotel, which I checked out from this morning, and I've been staying at that place for the last 3 days. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't use much of the facilities over there. They have a big restaurant. I didn't go to that one. I went to the gym and the pool area, which was super nice. And in general, the Emporium Suites Hotel at Brompong is it's a super nice place, super nice hotel, and highly rated as well as on Booking and hotels and the other booking sites. Super nice place. I would say that the room was nice. The bathroom was a little dated. I will show you some photos here in the videos. But in general, it was a nice place. 5-star, super nice hotel. It's also a compartment complex, so there's also people living there. You can rent a condo in the building. Didn't really see anybody else at the hotel except in the lobby area. So I would say the hotel was a bit on the boring side. So if you like a young family and want to go somewhere where there's a little, life going on without it being too much, then I would say it was boring, to be honest. The pool area was super nice, a big area, and plenty of sunbeds where you can chill out during the day. Super nice gym. Not many people in the gym, and not maybe many people at the pool. So plenty of space. Overall, super nice hotel. A bit boring. I would recommend business people who is traveling for business, or people who is very private to stay at that hotel. You wouldn't be seen by anybody. It's it's pretty private, but on the boring side, to be honest. So that was my 2 cents on the Emporium Suite Hotel at the Phrom Phong in top of the Emporium Center. I need to get going. I need to wash some clothes, unpack, and then I'm super stoked to see my family later.
Hej Victor Mus. Hej Victor Mus. Har det været en god tur? Hvad? Gik du op og ned? Har du fløjet? Har du været dygtig?
Ja.
Var det en stor flyvemaskine?
Ja.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be wrapping this video up. It's late, everybody is arrived, and now let the holidays begin. Tomorrow we're gonna be exploring the local area, and probably Mr. Minimi is gonna be wanting to go for a swim. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.